I remember we had latkes, and there was always singing in the house, a lot of singing. As a matter of fact, there was a time when we were baking matzah. Notice I say we, even though I was a kid, I was very close to my father, very close. And he chose to take me to the local bakery a week or 2 weeks before Passover, where the bakery had been completely transformed to bake matzah. And picture, if you will, 20, 25, 30 men, young men, my father's age, they too had children, were baking matzah and singing. And the singing was primarily Hallel, and that is the area of prayer during holidays when you praise God. So I remember that with tremendous affection. And I guess that's when I really fell in love with what we say Klal Yisrael, with the nation of Israel. I felt so warm. I felt I was part of something that was so wonderful and so good.